Hello students, welcome back. Now this part onward we will discuss the sums based on the property. Which property? Componendo and dividendo. So let's start. Student, let's start with the sum. If x equal to 2ab upon a plus b, they have asked you to find out the value of x plus a upon x minus a plus x plus b upon x minus b. Here we don't want to substitute the value of x directly. We have to use the property componendo and dividendo. For that, take this. Yes. Now transfer a towards the left hand side. What will get, students? On transferring a to the left hand side? Yes. Now x by a equal to 2b upon a plus b. Now on this apply componendo and dividendo. On applying componendo and dividendo, what will get? Yes, x plus a upon x minus a equal to 2b plus a plus b upon 2b minus a minus b. In the denominator gets subtracted. Now simplify the right hand side, students. On simplifying right hand side, what will get, students? Yes, 3b plus a upon b minus a. Now consider this one as first equation. So just number it as first equation. This we will utilize further. Now students, again take the value of x. Yes. Now this time transfer b towards the left hand side. So just transfer b to the left hand side. Yes, when you transfer b to the left hand side, your b will be in the denominator and your equation will be x by b equal to 2a upon a plus b. Now same way apply componendo and dividendo. When you apply componendo dividendo on both the side, what will get, students? Yes. Now on the right hand side, 2a plus b upon 2a minus b will be there. Now simplify the right hand side. Left hand side will remain as it is. Right hand side you will get 3a plus b upon a minus b. Consider this as second part. We will utilize afterwards. Now in the question you are asked to find value of this term. X plus a upon x minus a plus x plus b upon x minus b. Now substitute values of these from the first and the second part which you have solved earlier. Substitute the values from them. You will get this. Now just observe, denominator of first fraction is b minus a while the denominator of second fraction is a minus b. When you want to reverse the denominator of the second fraction, in between sign will get reversed. That means if it is plus, it will become minus. So when you change the denominator, what you will get, student? Yes. Now the denominator is same. Simplify, take the denominator once. On the numerator, what you will get? 3b plus a minus 3a minus b. Last that plus b sign will get changed. Now just simplify them. On simplification, your 2b minus 2a upon b minus a. Now you can take 2 common in the numerator. Yes. Now you can cancel b minus a bracket. When you just cancel both the bracket, final answer will be 2. So students, just keep in mind, in this type of sum, your answer is always 2. If you are not getting answer 2, somewhere you have committed mistake in the sign. Student, let's solve one more sum of this kind. If x equal to 8ab upon a plus b, find the value of x plus 4a upon x minus 4a plus x plus 4b upon x minus 4b. Now students, 8ab you can write it as 4 into 2 into ab. Then according to the required term, you can transfer 4a or 4b towards the left hand side. So same way we will do. Take x equal to 8ab upon a plus b. Now transfer 4a towards the left hand side. When you transfer 4a to the left hand side, what you will get, students? Yes, x by 4a equal to 2b upon a plus b. Now, apply componendo and dividendo. When you apply componendo and dividendo on both the side, you will get this. So, on the right hand side, you got 2b plus b upon 2b minus a minus b. Now, same way you have to simplify the right hand side. Left hand side will remain the same. So, now you got the value of x plus 4a upon x minus 4a. That will be 3b plus a upon b minus a. So, we will consider this as our first equation. Now, students, again take the value of x, that is 8ab upon a plus b. Now, this time, according to the required part, you have to transfer 4b to the left hand side. When you transfer 4b to the left hand side, what you will get? Yes. Now, same way, apply componendo and dividendo on both the side. On applying componendo and dividendo, what you will get, students? Yes. Only you have to keep in mind, in the denominator, it should be minus a minus b. Now, simplify the right hand side. Left hand side will remain as it is. And on the right hand side, you will get 3a plus b upon a minus b. Again, this part we will consider as second and we will utilize further. Students, you have to find the value of x plus 4a upon x minus 4a plus x plus 4b upon x minus 4b. Substitute these values from the part 1 and part 2 which already we have solved. On substituting the value, you will get this way. Again, you just observe the second denominator is reversed. When you reverse this a minus b as b minus a, in between the sign will be minus. Yes. Now denominator is same. Now just simplify them. When you simplify these both the terms, your numerator will be 3b plus a minus 3a minus b. That plus b will get changed to minus b because in between sign is minus. Now, when you simplify this further, you will get 2b minus 2a upon b minus a. Now, take 2 common in the numerator. Yes. Now, cancel the bracket b minus a. It is same in numerator as well as denominator. Yes. What is your value now? 2. I told this type of sum, always your answer is 2. This thing you have to keep in mind, students. Students, thanks for watching this video. Now, if you have any doubt relevant with the componendo dividendo sums, you can put your comment or mail. If you like the video, share and subscribe.